Hello guys, welcome back my channel. Today I will to show you how to use LightShot software. Firstly, you have need to open a browser. Then you need to input a address. That address are www.lightshot.com. After input a address, then you need to enter from your keyboard. Maybe my address was wrong. Light short. I have need to confirm. Okay, that was mistakenly. Actually, address will www.app.printscr.com. Okay, I am showing www.app.printscr.com. That was wrong. PRNTSCR PRNTSCR PRNTSCR. Oh. app.printscr.com. It is a valid address. You need to at first input this address, then you need to press enter from your keyboard. Okay, then after press enter, after some time later you will access a LightShot website, and then you need to install download a software. It is for Windows and it is for Mac. Based on your PC or based on our device, you need to at first install it. After install completion, then you need to sign up here. You can sign up with Gmail or Facebook. For sign up, you need to click it. Then you can sign up with Gmail or Google. Then from other option, sign up for Facebook. I hope it is better because Facebook is most important for us, and also Google most important for us. But I recommend it for Gmail. Okay. Already I have signed it, and how can we take a screenshot with LightShot? When you completely install, then you will show a corner. This is a LightShot icon. If you want to take a screenshot with LightShot software, at first you need to click here. Then you will show a darkness or dark skin. Then you need to move it. Okay, then you will show a various option from a corner. It is upload. If you have already signed it up, that will upload your account. If you have not signed it up, or if you are not upload it, you can share it from here, Twitter, Facebook, or printer. Many option here, and you can print it directly from here, and you can copy from here, and you can save to our device. Okay, then you need to select then need to save click. Okay, if you save a screenshot, you will get a notification. Okay,